Welcome to Avinash Sir Skills Centre, the skill set required to the technical field, and it should develop into student before they take the admission to various technical streams like mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer, IT, ML, etc. To develop skill sets to the student at very early age, we have started a technical robotics lab at Avinash Sir Skills Centre. In this lab, students will get the theory knowledge as well as practical skills of different technology like circuit design and development of block coding for robotics activity, Arduino programming for robotics, 3D printing technology, Python programming to do the data analysis, drone development. In our lab, we have made different technical levels for different age groups. 5th to 6th level students can make circuit design and development. During this level, they will get practical experience of multimeter soldering gun, different electronic components, how to make circuit, how to make design, etc. 7th standard block coding for robotics. During this level, the student will experience compound assembly and get familiar with robotic motion. Class 8 students Arduino programming. During this level, students understand various sensor and its programming for robots. 9th student 3D printing technology. During this level, students can design their idea and development real components to using this technology. 10th student Python programming. During this level, student understand Python programming for various applications like data analysis, drone design, AI, ML. After completing this technical skill sets, says all these will help this student to decide the career for his higher education. So, to get the more information, please visit our Avinash Skills Centre, Sangamner.